And welcome back on this election evening. We do need to talk about the weather out there because we've had on and off showers today. A lot of rain yesterday. Veronica, did you get wet out there?
You know what? I was lucky that I stayed dry and I stayed warm indoors. And we just want to thank all of our reporters who have been out in the field for us tonight covering our elections.
Everyone's working very hard.
Seems like it's not over.
Yeah, reporters, just so you know, we've got plenty of pizza and donuts and
there's a lot of donuts in there.
We're enjoying it in your honor here in the studio, nice and warm and dry.
That's me.
One of our colleagues has saved food for you. So
yes. Someone did.
Cold pizza.
All right, let's take a look at what's going on out there. Here's a recap of some precipitation totals from across the region over the last couple of days. Salinas, about 1.5 inches of rain. Pretty good rainfall total. Same in Hollister. Soledad just shy of 1 inch of rain. And look at Santa Cruz, Monterey, Watsonville, about 2 inches of rain. We'll probably see some addition to this. There's some totals from this late afternoon that will probably get added into this, but this was as of around sunset tonight. We had some really good rainfall totals just over the last couple days. It wasn't just rain. Snow falling above about 4,000 or 5,000 feet in our mountains. This is the view from Chews Ridge this afternoon. Yeah, we had some snow out there, and up on San Benito Mountain in San Benito County, also some snow showing up on that webcam as well. So snowy conditions, rainy conditions. We've got some alerts across the state for you. So if you're planning on traveling, this storm system's still here. Snow in the Sierra Nevada, rough go, high 80. Also US 50, also I-5 north out of the Sacramento Valley if you're heading up to Oregon. Maybe you're like, I'm going to go to Medford tomorrow. No, probably a bad idea. Probably get a little bit dicey out there, but check local road conditions. Things will probably clear up a little bit later. Down south, we still have some winter alerts for our southern mountains across to Southern California as well. The Grapevine has been a little nasty as well. Now, this area of low pressure starting to move out a little bit, but the cold air still pouring in on the backside of it. And this cold air over the relatively warmer waters of the Pacific is helping create more showers. And we can still see them developing off to our northwest and just rotating around the low like a backwards clock toward us here on the central coast. So this shower machine is going to keep going overnight as this low sits to the north of us, which means you could still see a couple more rounds of moderate brief showers, maybe even some small hail for the overnight hours. That's just going to keep going like it has been all day. And some areas have been pretty dry all day after this morning when we had that widespread rain event. But there are also some areas that have seen like 4 or 5 rounds of showers. That's just the nature of this. It's somewhat chaotic, and the showers kind of show up at random and move around a little bit and may hit one side of town and not the other side of town. The threat will just continue overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. And then for most areas, it's going to wind down at that point in time. I'm not expecting much more precipitation tomorrow. With that said, there is some instability over the hills tomorrow. So as we look at the afternoon hours, we may see a couple showers pop up over the mountains. They're not necessarily showing up on this particular computer model, but maybe in the Santa Cruz Mountains, you might see a shower. And if that does pop up, it'll move off to the southeast. So 1 or 2 spots tomorrow might see a brief shower in the afternoon, but by and large, most of this precipitation is going to end by dawn tomorrow morning. And then after that, we're left with partly cloudy and cool conditions. Additional precipitation on top of what we've already seen, a few hundredths to 1/10 of an inch from some areas. So not much more. Our flooding threat pretty much over at this point. And at this point, it's just kind of a nuisance. The other thing that's going to be a nuisance, the temperatures. Pretty cool for this time of year. You're going to need those winter weather clothes tomorrow and really for the next couple of days as well. Highs in the 50s in the Santa Cruz Mountains tomorrow. We may not even get out of the 40s in Bonnie Doon. Santa Cruz 57, that's warmer than today. 56 in Capitola, the east shore of the bay. Highs mainly in the mid 50s. Salinas 58. Hollister 58, same in Gilroy tomorrow. We're to the Monterey Peninsula. Highs sticking around in the mid to upper 50s, 57 degrees in Monterey. And then down south, we will see highs mainly in the 50s. There's a lot of 50s on the map. Celebrate the 50s tomorrow. As we look at the next 7 days, temperatures are going to warm up in the afternoons, but not necessarily in the mornings. Expect Friday morning to be the coldest of the next week. On the coast, we'll see an average of around 40, which means some areas will be in the 30s. But Veterans Day looking pretty nice if you're planning on heading out to the Veterans Day Parade in Salinas on Friday. It should be beautiful. Temperatures in the low 60s, lots of sunshine. It should be pretty nice. A 1-week system is going to pass by this weekend. It could bring us a little light rain on Saturday. This isn't going to be a big deal breaker, though, as far as your plans are concerned. We'll watch it. If things change, I'll let you know. But at the moment, not a big deal. Temperatures next week looking more comfortable. Inland areas, again, a few showers lingering tomorrow. Thursday, temperatures well below normal for this time of year. And look at that Friday morning low. Patchy frost for our inland valleys. It's going to be a chilly one. We're watching for rain chances next weekend. And then mild weather coming back after that. Back to you.